So you have to stop at Pit B maybe and fill up more gas just to make sure?
No, we only put 14 gallons to start the race. It shouldn't really take it 12. Just maybe take it 12. No, just obviously use a little more than that.
Gas?
I don't know why.
Here, watch out, watch out.
Okay, it's been 2 hours and 43 minutes.
How many gallons you got?
Miles.
Tank, how many gallons in the tank?
Huh?
How many gallons in the tank?
22 gallon tank?
Yeah, I think it gave you like 8 gallons or something.
Huh?
It gave you about 8 gallons more.
He's already number 3.
8 gallons more.
You put 8 more in?
Yeah.
So it's full. It's pretty full then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey,
Let's
Kirsten,
go.
everybody watch out.
Come on.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Come on.
Don't like tuna.
You know what? Give me that back and let me have the lid.
Yeah. Water bottle's the way to
John,
go.
what happened?
Huh?
That'd be cool.
Oh, everything's great. Water had to pee, man. It made me good. Yo, you gotta be kidding me. That takes like 15 minutes to get in there.
Because it's rough out down on top.
It's because the navigator's drinking all the time and the driver's parched.
It
was a blast.
Too.
It was a blast.
Hold up. Snore.
Yeah. right here. See, just sit there.
Well, you must have been flying because you got wings. Huh? They're not doing that, don't worry. My engine builder. It's awesome, man. You're 1600. It's all wife beater.
All right. Lotta, Kirsten, stay away from the tape, okay? Don't touch the tape. See that? That's what's causing that. I don't want to hold you. Nope.
Rushes, but we'll gonna have more cars. Yeah, but there you go.
Look at your lovely shoes, too. Children show the shoes.
Would you calm down on the shoes?
Everybody, come on, guys. Come on.
Watch out. They're moving. Come on.